Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am co-hosting a Christmas collaboration that is all about Christmas movies and menu ideas that you can share with your family and friends whenever you are hosting a Christmas movie night. This is hosted with Holly's Homemade Haven, so make sure to check her out and the playlist. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted to whenever I upload a new video. So if you know me and if you follow me, you know that I'm all about collaborating with people, man. I love collaborations because you just meet so many different new people. I mean, I just love doing them. I love hosting them. I love participating in them. So let's get started. The collaboration is all about us choosing a Christmas themed movie, and then we're making recipes to kind of match that movie. And so I chose my favorite Christmas movie that I love. I love this since I was a little girl, and I love it still. It is A Christmas Story. And so I am gonna create some dishes that is gonna match that movie. So let's get to it. I'm gonna share dinner entree, I'm gonna share a dessert, and I'm also gonna share a drink or two. Who knows? Let's see what happens. Let's get to it. So the first recipe that I'm going to do is that I am going to put a twist on the dinner that the family has in A Christmas Story. So the first dinner that they're having is mashed potatoes with meatloaf. They have red cabbage and corn, I believe. I don't even remember. But I know that we don't want to eat meatloaf, and we don't want to have any mashed potatoes because we are so done with Thanksgiving food right now. And mashed potatoes was on our menu for the Thanksgiving holiday. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to transform the meatloaf into some burgers. Now, good thing is that I still have a lot of HelloFresh boxes, and bam, this is what we're gonna do with our meatloaf, with our potatoes and meat. Okay, we're gonna, instead of making the meatloaf and mashed potatoes, we are gonna make this white cheddar wondrous burgers with caramelized onions, a special sauce, and some Old Bay fries. So let's get working. Now it's time for our old fudge triple dog dare you cake. Very simple to make. All of these ingredients can be store-bought. Unfortunately, not all of them are homemade because, well, this mama is busy on grandma duties, cleaning duties, decorating duties. I had to take a few shortcuts, but hey, it's still delicious. What is your favorite Christmas movie or movies? I mean, I have more than one. So throughout the month of December, I am going to share with you more Christmas movie and dinner ideas. And not just dinner. It could be breakfast, it can be a brunch, it can be a snack. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted to whenever I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out the playlist down below. I have a few friends that are sharing some wonderful Christmas movie dinner inspo that you do not want to miss. So while the cake bakes, you're going to take ketchup, mayo, mustard, and some oil-based seasoning, and you're gonna make that secret sauce for the cheddar wondrous burgers. Now we're gonna move on to Ralphie's favorite drink, which is Ovaltine. I'm gonna go ahead and make a triple chocolate Ovaltine shake that is simply delicious. Very easy to make. You're just gonna need some ice cream, some Ovaltine, some chocolate chips, milk, and some Ready Whip. And of course, we cannot forget our peppermint spoons so that we can either make the milkshake thick or not. And my friends, that is what I call an Ovaltine shake. So let me show y'all what came in the mail. I can't wait. It's fragile. I got my lip cookie cutter. So we're gonna be making sugar cookies. And then the piece de resistance. If you know me, one of my favorite things on top of aprons and books are mugs. And Mama got herself. Ah, I love it. Ah, fragile. It must be Italian. It's a major award, and look at that. So I'm gonna be drinking mi cafe or hot chocolate with my Christmas Story mug. I absolutely love it. Inspired by this collaboration and of course the movie. So now let's get to making these sugar cookies. All right, so now we're gonna add the cheese. You can make them as cheesy as you want. we're gonna put this lid on until the cheese melts, and then we're gonna serve this up. All right, y'all, look at that. We're gonna take our sauce, which was made with mayo, mustard, and ketchup, and some Old Bay seasoning. OMG. Then we're gonna take some of our caramelized onions. Get another fork so I can serve this up. Oh my goodness, this is just so good. Who said meatloaf? Beatloaf. We're turning that meatloaf into a burger. We're turning those mashed potatoes into some potato wedges seasoned with Oil Bay. And there you have it, my friends. Look at that. Dinner is served. And then I'll show you how I'm gonna frost the cake. We have the cookies. And when the kids go to bed, I'm gonna show you a grown-up Red Ryder Mocktail that you may want to add to your recipe. All right, so we are going to make the Red Ryder Mocktail. We are going to need some fruit. Okay, I picked up this bowl. I don't need the ice cream. We're going to need some cranberry juice, some pineapple juice, and some ginger ale. So this is the only pitcher that I have. I have to get one for the winter season. It has some melon in there. You can also add some strawberries if you like. And there you have it, my friends. This is my Christmas movie dinner idea. I hope that you had a blast. I've made the cake. I've made the Ovaltine milkshake. I've also went ahead and made some meatloaf burgers with some potato wedges, as well as a Red Ryder mocktail. Make sure to check out the playlist below. Don't forget to check out Holly's Homemade Haven, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.